Okay, this is the third composite figure that we had to find the surface area and the volume for. And we have two things happening. We have a pyramid and a prism. So we have the prism, which is the box on the bottom. And we have the pyramid on top of it. And again, there's that covered base that we're gonna subtract. Alright. So the surface area for the prism is the lateral area plus the two bases. The surface area of the pyramid is the lateral area plus one base. But hey, hold on. One of the bases is covered. We agreed that we're not going to use the two bases because one of them is covered. Same thing for the pyramid, that base is covered. So I'm just going to be working with lateral area plus one base for the prism, lateral area only for the pyramid because the base is covered. Okay, so what's the lateral area for the prism? The lateral area for the prism is the perimeter times the height. What's the lateral area for the pyramid? Well, it's half the perimeter times the slant height. Alrighty. Well, we have now that perimeter is just the perimeter of the base. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 times the 4 sides. Times the height of the prism, which is 4. I have 8 times 4. Plus the area of the base. Well, side times side. Length times width. 2 times 2, which is 4. So I have 8 times 4, which is 32. Plus 4, which is 36. Alrighty, let's do the pyramid. Half of the perimeter. The perimeter is 4. I'm sorry, the perimeter is not 4. The perimeter is 2 times 4. I have 2 and times the 4 sides. So the perimeter is 8. 2 times 4. Times the slant height. Well, that's a problem. I don't have the slant height. But I can get the slant height. I have a right triangle on top here. This is 2, this is 1, because it's half the side. After you do Pythagorean theorem, you'll end up with root 5 for the slant height, which is that one right here. Or actually, it should run right in the middle of that face. So times root 5. Half of 8 is 4, so 4 root 5. The surface area is just adding these two together, but then a lot of people actually would say 40 root 5, and that's not okay because 36 doesn't have a radical, so you should not combine it with 4 rad 5. They're not like terms. If you decide to just plug it in your calculator and get a decimal, 36 plus 4 times rad 5, you might want to do that. If I ask you to work with decimals, you'll end up with 44.9 meters squared. That's the surface area. Let's do the volume. So I know the volume of the prism is area of the base times the height, while the volume of the pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Well, the area of the base we agreed is just 4, 2 times 2, times the height is also 4, so 16. Now go to the pyramid, it's 1/3 times 4 for the base. The height is actually 2. So it's like 8/3. Well, the total volume is just adding these up. And if you just plug it in your calculator, you might end up with 18.7, which is the correct answer. And you're done. Hope this helps. Thanks.